Baie-Saint-Paul, a charming city nestled on the north shore of the majestic St. Lawrence River. Over 350 years ago, Baie-Saint-Paul was founded, earning its title as the City of Art and Heritage. Located in the heart of the Charlevoix region, this area is a haven for nature lovers and art enthusiasts alike. As we glide over the valley, you'll notice the Gouffre and Bras rivers meandering through the landscape, adding to its picturesque charm. Baie-Saint-Paul is not just a city, it's an inhabited area within the Charlevoix Biosphere Reserve, recognized by UNESCO for its ecological significance. With a population of around 7,300, this city is brimming with exceptional heritage and remarkable landscapes. But what truly sets Baie-Saint-Paul apart is its cultural vitality. Since the early 20th century, it has been a magnet for Canadian painters seeking inspiration and authenticity. The Gouffre River is a tributary of the left bank of the St. Lawrence River, winding its way through the picturesque landscape of Baie-Saint-Paul. Named by the famed explorer Samuel de Champlain in 1608, the Gouffre River holds a special place in the heart of this region. Its name, meaning whirlpool, pays homage to the swirling waters that once struck fear into the hearts of sailors, particularly at the foot of Cap Aux Corbeaux. But today, the Gouffre River is a haven for nature enthusiasts and anglers alike. As an Atlantic salmon fishing river and home to various trout species, it beckons to those seeking the thrill of the catch amidst stunning natural surroundings. The Church of Baie-Saint-Paul is a place steeped in history and spirituality. Over the centuries, Baie-Saint-Paul has been home to 4 churches, each leaving its mark on the landscape. The current church, with its 2 impressive frontal bell towers dating back to 1859, stands as a testament to the enduring faith of this community. Take a moment to soak in the beauty and tranquility of this sacred place, and feel a connection to the past as we continue our journey through the rich history of Baie-Saint-Paul.
Thanks for watching!